I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the...
Hello guys, I'm Evie from lovefordiy.com. Don't we all need some extra storage? Although we may have plenty, we always think there is not enough. Don't you agree? Well, in today's video I want to show you how to make this beautiful storage box to use it around your home. So, all you need is a cardboard box, popsicle sticks, ribbon, a hot glue gun, glue sticks, cutter, scissors, a piece of fabric and some sewing pins. First, all you have to do is to cut your box in the preferred size of the popsicle sticks. You then need to take a popsicle stick and drop a little bit of hot glue at the top and a little bit at the bottom and then stick it on the box. You will need to do this several times until you cover all the box with the popsicle sticks. Don't worry guys, I had a really fun and relaxing time doing this and I'm sure you will too. Now, take your ribbon and begin gluing it around to the bottom of the box. And you will end up with this beauty. Don't you agree, guys? Now, for the inner liner, measure the long side and the short side, the height and until the middle of the bottom and add 2 inches to your measurement.
Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I give you everything.
Next, fold your fabric in half, wrong side facing out, and cut to those dimensions. Glue the short sides together with the hot glue and you will end up with a folded side, 2 glued sides and an open side. Now place your liner inside the box and if you have raised end like mine, all you have to do is cut the 2 corners diagonal and glue the fabric by folding it over.
No point in blaming you, you did not know. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I give you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to
me. And there you have it, a gorgeous and easy made storage box to use it in many ways around your home. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment and let me know if you would give it a shot and how would you use it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more DIY videos and hit that bell button to be notified when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, I love you guys, bye!